Our past is full of whispers, ancient whispers. They speak of lost times, they hint at forgotten knowledge. Humanity has always searched for these secrets. We look for clues in the dust. We seek answers to old questions. What did our ancestors know? What wonders have been lost to time? These questions drive our curiosity. They fuel our explorations into the unknown. Some mysteries are carved in stone. Great monuments stand silent. They guard their secrets well. Other mysteries are written down. They are found on scrolls or tablets or in strange coded books. These writings are a direct link, a link to minds from long ago. They offer a tantalizing glimpse, a glimpse into their understanding of the world. This great unsolved puzzle is a book. It is famously known as the Voynich manuscript. It takes its name from Wilfrid Voynich. He was a Polish book dealer. He rediscovered this curious volume. This happened in the year 1912. He found it amongst other old books. Its unique nature was immediately clear. It was unlike anything seen before. Voynich came across the manuscript in Italy. He found it at the Villa Mondragone. This was a Jesuit college near Rome. The book was part of an old collection. Its earlier history was obscure. Voynich himself was fascinated by it. He dedicated much effort to its study. He hoped to unlock its secrets, but the book guarded them tightly. Modern science has given us some clues. Carbon dating was performed on the vellum. The results were surprising to many. They showed the manuscript was made earlier than some thought. It dates to the early 15th century, specifically between 1404 and 1438. This places its creation firmly in the late medieval period, a time of great change and hidden knowledge. There have been many famous names linked to the book. Some once thought Roger Bacon wrote it. He was a 13th century English friar. Bacon was interested in ciphers and optics. He was a forward thinker for his time. However, the carbon dating makes his authorship unlikely. The true author remains unknown. The world's best codebreakers have tried to crack it. Experts from military intelligence, linguists and mathematicians all have faced its silent challenge. During the World Wars, cryptanalysts broke complex enemy codes. Some of these same experts later tackled the Voynich. They too were met with failure. The manuscript refused to yield its secrets. Its defense was too strong. The script has features of a real language. Statistical analysis shows this. Some characters appear frequently, while others are quite rare. Words seem to have a structure. Prefixes and suffixes may exist. These patterns mimic natural human languages. This suggests it is not just random scribbles. There appears to be an underlying system, a logic we cannot yet grasp. It is a tantalizing hint of meaning. If it is not a hoax, what does it contain? The illustrations offer our main clues. Many pages are filled with drawings of plants. These are often called the herbal section, but the plants are strange. Most cannot be identified with any known species. Are they extinct plants or fantastical creations of the artist? Perhaps they represent something symbolic. Another section seems to be astronomical. It contains circular diagrams. These look like charts of stars or constellations. There are suns and moons and symbols that resemble zodiac signs. But again, they do not match standard Western or Eastern systems. Are they from a forgotten astronomical tradition? Or do they map something other than the night sky? Their purpose is a complete mystery. Then there is the balneological section. Could the knowledge within be even older? Perhaps it is a copy of a far more ancient text, a remnant from a lost civilization. A culture that possessed advanced understanding, knowledge that was forgotten in later ages. This idea is common in alternative history. The Voynich manuscript could be a key to rediscovering such lost wisdom. Its uniqueness certainly sets it apart. Some theories are more outlandish. Given its strangeness, some have wondered, could its origin be not of this world, perhaps an extraterrestrial communication or a message from another dimension? Such ideas are highly speculative. There is no direct evidence for them. But the manuscript's resistance to interpretation fuels all kinds of imaginative thought. It pushes the boundaries of possibility. A more grounded, yet still profound idea exists. It might represent a forgotten natural philosophy, a completely different way of understanding the universe. Before the rise of modern science, many diverse systems of thought existed. What if this book captures one such system, a holistic view of nature, humanity, and the cosmos, one that we can no longer easily comprehend? Why does this single, strange book matter so much? Deciphering the Voynich manuscript would be a momentous event. It would resonate through many fields of study, history, linguistics, art history, and science. It could potentially rewrite parts of our understanding of the medieval period, or even earlier times if it preserves older knowledge. It is more than just a code. It could reveal practical information, lost knowledge about plants and medicine, or forgotten astronomical insights. Perhaps it contains unique recipes or details of forgotten technologies. In a world facing many challenges, any new source of ancient wisdom could be valuable. It might offer perspectives we urgently need, perspectives on living in harmony with nature or understanding our place in the cosmos. Simply understanding the language itself would be remarkable. If it is a true unknown language, its structure could teach us about human cognition, how minds from different cultures conceptualize the world. If it is a cipher, its complexity would be astounding, revealing the ingenuity of its creator. It would be a landmark in the history of cryptography, a testament to human intellect. The Voynich manuscript continues to wait. It patiently guards its secrets.